Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Art Content Knowledge exam? This is Praxis test code 5134. Praxis 5134 has multiple subtopics. This problem set covers the subtopic of responding to art. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which statement most accurately identifies the difference between Impressionist and Expressionist art? Impressionists focused on reality, while Expressionists did not. Expressionists focused on reality, while Impressionists did not. Impressionists embraced classic techniques, while Expressionists did not. Expressionists embraced classic techniques, while Impressionists did not. Expressionists did not focus on reality as their art aimed to convey emotions and subjective experiences. Impressionists did not focus on reality in a traditional sense, but aimed to capture the fleeting effects of light and color. Both movements moved away from classic techniques, so neither embraced them. The correct answer is that Impressionists focused on reality while Expressionists did not. Impressionists sought to depict the visual impression of the moment, whereas Expressionists aimed to represent emotional experience rather than physical reality. Question number 2. Which art theory states that art's value lies in its form and style? Art for art's sake, imitationalism, formalism, or emotionalism? Art for art's sake emphasizes the intrinsic value of art, focusing on beauty and aesthetic experience rather than practical or moral considerations. Imitationalism values art that accurately depicts real life, emphasizing realistic representation. Emotionalism values art based on its ability to evoke emotional responses from the viewer. Therefore, the correct answer is formalism, which states that art's value lies in its form and style, focusing on the formal elements such as composition, color, and technique. Question number 3. Which group is responsible for the idea of art for art's sake? Beatniks, existentialists, postmodernists, or bohemians? Beatniks were a social movement of the 1950s and 1960s, and they focused on nonconformity and spontaneous creativity, not specifically on the idea of art for art's sake. Existentialism is a philosophical movement focused on individual freedom and meaning, unrelated to this specific art concept. Postmodernists critique traditional notions of art and culture, but are not associated with art for art's sake. The correct answer is bohemians, a group of artists and writers in the 19th century who championed the idea that art should be valued for its beauty and aesthetics alone, without moral or utilitarian functions. Question number 4. Which step of art criticism uses context and interprets why the artist painted the work? Interpretation, analysis, description, or evaluation? Description involves observing and noting the visible features of the artwork without interpretation. Analysis examines the elements and principles of art within the work. Evaluation involves making a judgment about the artwork's value or success. Therefore, the correct answer is interpretation, which uses context and explores why the artist created the work, delving into its meaning and purpose. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find on the subtopic of responding to art for the Praxis 5134 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Wishing you all the best with your prep and your exam. Bye for now.